Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy. Aj hum CS Executive Corporate Accounting K Chapter 4, Depreciation Accounting Ko Complete Theory K Sath Cover Karenge, simple, crisp and exam focused. Meaning of depreciation. Depreciation ka simple MATLAB high, asset key value ka systematic reduction over useful life. Yeah, wear and tear, time, obsolescence our usage key wajase hota high. Features of depreciation. Depreciation ek non-cash expense hota high. Yeah, harzal systematic tariq say charge hota high. Is say asset key book value reduce hoti rihdi high. Our yeah always historical cost our useful life par based hota high. Objectives of depreciation. Depreciation charge karne ka main purpose. True profit calculate karna balance sheet main asset ki true value dekana matching concept ko follow karna asset replacement ke liye fund create karna law our accounting standards ko follow karna. Causes of depreciation. Depreciation can wajase hota high. Wear and tear, time passing, obsolescence, accidents, our legal restrictions jc cheesing asset key value ko kam kardi hang. Important concepts, cost of asset main purchase price KSAF installation, delivery, testing SAB include hota high. Useful life asset K expected usage ka time hota high. Residual value wo estimate hoti high jo end of life par asset key value hogi. Our depreciable amount equals cost minus residual value. Methods of depreciation. Depreciation K do main methods hold hang. 1. Straight line method, SLM, jism harzal equal depreciation charge hota high. 2. Written down value method, WDV, jism reducing balance par depreciation log to high, pele zal zaida, bad me can. Other methods be hold hang jisa, production unit method, machine hour method, sum of years digit method, annuity method, hour depletion method. Accounting treatment. Depreciation profit and loss account me debit hota high. Our balance sheet me asset K cost say minus ho car show hota high. Kabi accumulated depreciation separate account me BD kaya yada high. Change in method of depreciation. Agar company depreciation ka method change kardi high. Toye ek accounting estimate ka change hota high. New method K hisab say depreciation recalculate hota high. Our difference current year KP and LMI adjust hota high. Depreciation as per Companies Act 2013, Companies Act K Schedule 2K Hisab say, are fixed asset key useful life defined hodi high. Residual value generally 5% say zaida nai hodi. Our component accounting be allowed high, yani asset K alog parts co separately depreciate key adjust act high. Revaluation of assets, Agar company asset key revaluation kardi high, upward revaluation ka amount revaluation reserve me yada high downward revaluation profit and loss me charge hota high. Our future depreciation hamesha revised value par calculated hota high. Disposal of assets, Agar asset sale, scrap you discard hota high, to asset key cost our accumulated depreciation book say remove key jadi high. Our sale price compare car K profit your loss calculate hota high. Difference between SLM and WDV. SLM me depreciation fixed hota high, WDV me harzal cam hota yada high. SLM simple hota high, WDV actual usage pattern ko better represent karta high. Importance of depreciation. Depreciation financial reporting me bau important role play karta high. Yeah profit sahi batata high, assets key real value show karta high, our compliance and consistency maintain karta high. Yeah the chapter 4, Depreciation Accounting Ka Complete Theory Explanation. Our S-High chapters K4 lectures K Lia channel the Global Commerce Academy co-subscribe Zara Karin. Milda Hain next chapter me.